Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Brian. Today we're going to be working on our 93 VW Cabriolet. It's sort of our spare car, so it doesn't get a lot of use, but the last time we needed to use it, I was checking fluids and noticed I had to add a lot of coolant. I added some and let it go, but it's down again, so I have a pretty good idea where the leak is, so let's take a look. I don't know if you can see this, but it's low once again. It's probably down to there. I'm not sure glare-wise how this will show up, but there's coolant sitting down there on the block, and it's all wet around this flange. So I'm going to go ahead and make the assumption that that flange is leaking. These flanges are plastic, and eventually they'll crack and split, and there's really no fixing it other than just replacing it. And there should be an O-ring seal between the block and that flange. I mean, it could likely be an O-ring. There's one of these hair clips in the bottom that holds a plug in. Could be that, but if we're going to go that far, let's just replace the whole thing. And I also got a new one for this water outlet on the side of the head. I searched around to try to find genuine German parts. I was only able to find the Dorman version of the one that goes in the side of the head. I found this one on eBay from a place that buys up surplus stuff. Looks like this one's been around the block for a while, but it appears to be intact. It appears to have all the clips and plugs and O-rings that I'm going to need, including the one against the block. Let's get started. These clips should just pull out, and the sensors ought to pull out. These would normally have those evil constant pressure clamps on there, but they've obviously been replaced. You just need to be careful when you torque these down, you don't split it or you don't crush the plastic. That one was not very tight at all. All right, let's see how much ends up in the pan. These are just 10mm or M6 bolts that hold this onto the head. Let's hope they don't break off. Wow, that was pretty loose too. That one's not. Oh! I don't know if that'll show up, but it does appear that that was cracked right there, or is cracked right there, right through. So the bottom just gets this plug. I like to put a little bit of grease on that O-ring. And that clip should just hold it. Go ahead and grease this O-ring too. It just helps it slide on the surface a little bit. A little anti-seize on this steel bolt in the aluminum head. Since I actually have a manual for this vehicle, I looked up the torque spec for those nuts, or those bolts, and it is 10 Newton meters or 87 inch-pounds, which is as low as this torque wrench goes. So just out of curiosity, let's see what that ends up being, or ends up feeling like anyway. Not much. Because this has the steel inserts in here, you don't really need to worry about torquing it. Those are going to limit how much you can compress it so you don't crush it. So now we should be able to just stick the hoses back on. Okay, do you remember which one went where? Don't know that it likely matters. These new clips are some sort of plastic. On further inspection, this water outlet appears to be fine and not leaking. Also, it has this hard coolant pipe attached to it, so I would have to figure out where that baby's attached down below and get that out. But I think for right now, we'll leave that one alone. That was straight antifreeze, and this being old enough, it can use the regular green stuff. I'm not sure why the label fell off this one. Go ahead and rinse off this remaining coolant on the block so we can tell if we have a leak in the future. Now we'll start it up and let it heat up, and it'll probably take some more coolant after it cools down. So I've gone for a drive and put it away. Probably need to add some coolant. Let's see what we have. Actually, it looks pretty good. So maybe we're full, but we'll check it tomorrow and make sure after it goes through a cooling cycle, it'll likely pull some more back in. But everything appears to be bone dry down on the block. So I suspect that thing was probably leaking for a while.